Alright, I don't know what the hell this is, but okay.
What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where portions of Maine, including the following areas: Androscoggin, Central Interior Cumberland, York, Highlands, Kennebec, Southern Franklin, Southern Oxford, and Southern Somerset. Portions of New Hampshire, including the following areas: Belknap, Eastern Hillsborough, Interior Nottingham, Merrimack, Carroll, Grafton, Southern Coos, Stratford, and Western and Central Hillsborough. When? From Sunday evening through Tuesday evening. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Additional details: current stream flows are near normal, but excessive rain combined with saturated ground will lead to higher than normal runoff. This may cause river levels to exceed minor flood stage at several locations across the watch area, with additional river locations exceeding action stage. Here are the 3 p.m. reports from around New England. In New Hampshire,
Nice.
In Manchester, it was cloudy. The temperature was 54 degrees. The dew point 40, giving a relative humidity of 59%. The wind was east at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 21, and the pressure was 0.04 inches and 4.
What a nice surprise. I'm just out here prepping for prom and that comes in. I'll wait to see if it comes in through HD radio, but nice.